Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce this wonderful Italian word. So the pronunciation is panini, panini, pa-ni-ni, panini. Now please note that this is a plural word. So in Italian, in singular form, this would be panino. And that's important because I notice that a lot of people, usually when they don't speak Italian and they use this word because they're ordering basically what it is, it's an Italian-style sandwich, they do say, I would like to buy a panini. But that sounds really strange from an Italian perspective. You can do it, but still, if you are in Italy, do keep in mind that panini is plural. So there is no such a thing as paninis. And most importantly, if you're only ordering one in Italy, you would say un panino, per favore. So a panino, please. And if you want to order two or more, then you would say, for example, due panini, per favore. So two sandwiches or two panini, per favore. So once again, panino, panini. Do keep in mind that the P is never aspirated in Italian. So don't really pronounce it as panino. Like there is no burst of air after the P. It's a very panini. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.